welcome to Sobe and Arjun's Kingdom. Today we got a new puppy!
Oh, yay! What's his name?
His name is Fluffy and he's really fluffy. Right, Fluffy?
Say hello, Fluffy. Oh, I guess he's sleepy.
Yes. We're actually in the terrace right now. All the plant which I've brought him to see. And guys, the compost we made, the first ever compost, it's ready. We used it already for the plants. Fluffy! 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 Where's Fluffy? You are? Yes, you are? Say hi!
Where's Fluffy? Hi!
Hi!
What do you think if you like your dog? If you like our dog, please don't forget to comment down below. You should comment down below if you like our dog or not.
Come on, Fluffy! Goodbye!
Fluffy, our dog, can climb upstairs, right?
Yes, looks like he's sleepy. Thumbs in the video. Thank you for watching our video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.